So now people are starting to appreciate things that you can't replace. Things that you got to put your hands on, things like HVAC, things like being an electrician, things like being a plumber, things that people didn't really glamorize before. You know what I'm saying? Anything mechanical. Now AI is still taking a place in some of these things, but AI can't replace these things. So I'm gonna play this, but let's just talk about real quickly. Now a lot of young men are saying, I'm ditching this idea of everybody got to go to college. Now, these are East Coast numbers. The average HVAC tech makes about $50,000 a year. You know, on the upper end, we're talking $70,000 a year. Electricians, for example, are in high demand. Electricians make 70 stacks a year.